Hey everybody, it's Kenny with Rasmus Auctions here. Just got done with an ID in Waldorf at an audio equipment place. I'm gonna take you for a walk around. All this stuff is gonna be up on our website by the end of today. Everything you need for a studio, anything you could imagine audio related is here. We even have a nice forklift that's gonna be in the auction. Lots of different tools, band saws, hand trucks, panel carts, speakers, audio cables galore. Got some ladders. The pallet racking is also going to be included in the auction. Work lights, audio equipment, all different types of stuff. A beautiful stage is going to be in the auction as well. More band saws, jigsaw, work tables, halogen lights, line array system. Every single one of these cases is full of audio equipment, and all the travel cases are being sold as well. I'm going to take you through the workshop real quick. And there's a forklift I was talking about earlier. Workshop hand tools. It's where they tested all of the audio equipment. Nice toolbox. And more tools galore. All right, guys. Good luck bidding, and hopefully see you guys at the removal. Good luck.